The last thing we're gonna do is spray the door down. We use a product called National 400 petroleum lubricant. It's Old Faithful. They make different kinds. They make silicone, petroleum, lithium. There's some mineral oil, some other stuff. I like this stuff because it goes in, it lubricates the door. It doesn't attract a lot of dirt and stuff other products do. This is the good stuff. Can't change my opinion. See, you're gonna wanna spray down all the hinges. You wanna do all the moving points of the hinge. You don't even have to do anything too crazy about it. You just give it a couple of little squirts and you'll hit each one of the hinges. You'll hit these all the way across all the moving points. After you do that, you're gonna wanna hit the spring. You don't have to do a tremendous amount to the spring. Just give it a little bit of a spritz. They really don't even need a whole lot of maintenance to it. Oil pepper is going to be the black springs up here. I still like putting a little bit of lubrication on there anyways. Come on over to the side. You don't want to spray the tracks or the rollers for these. You want these to stick and turn. If you have plastic rollers or you have the jankety old metal rollers, you definitely are going to want to spray inside the track. You're going to want to spray from down here, do a constant stream, spray it all the way up to the top, follow it through the turn and come all the way back to about a foot from the end. And you spray it on the top, let the oil run down or whatever your lubricant is, you let it run down. At that point, you should be pretty good. Your door should be a little quieter, but work a little bit smoother. And if you have any questions or discover any issues during your inspection, absolutely, please call a professional, specifically Ohana Garage Door Repair, and thank you for your time.